Next up, we're doing our first eBay auction from the Gold Rush Autographed 8x10. This is a multi-sport last name letter edition. So this is the first one we've done on eBay. We did a 5-box break out of this 10-box case. So every box has got one autographed 8x10. You got a ton of big names, from Steph Curry to Aaron Judge to Luis Robert to Johnny Unitas, Jim Brown. You've got Mike Trout in this, Ichiro. So should be fun. Let's see what we can get out of here. Anthony O, you've got last name letter M. Brian K's got last name letter R. George has got B, C, and then Q and V. James, you've got F, G, L, N, and P. John P's got last name letter E. Kevin S, you've got D and K. Kyler's got J and W. Lance, you've got A, S, and T. Lee's got I, O, and U. And then Linda, you've got last name letter H. All right. Good luck. All right, we're going old school hockey. Hall of Fame 92. I have no clue who that guy is. Where are all the hockey guys? I can't even tell. I don't even remember what that uniform logo is. Doesn't say on the back. So let's see. Let's look up JSA. All right, it is going to be E95318. All right, that is going to be Marcel. Is it Don? Is it French and Dion? Last name D, I know that. So that one is going to be going to Kevin S. So Kevin had last name letter D. I don't know how the heck that is Marcel. That's Marcel Don. But whatever. That's what it says. Hall of Fame 92. So Kevin, congratulations, man. We'll get that 8x10 in the mail. There is the result from JSA. And we'll do another 8x10 break coming up here in the next couple weeks.